Alright, so on the 86 Renix Jeep, a few things, part of an update here. See that clutch pedal? It's way too high up. You see that? It should be down like that. Now, I looked last night. Let's see if I can get up under here. This isn't going to be fun, but I'll see if I can show it to you. Oh, did I just get it right away? You see the... Well, I can't see squat. No, there it is. Okay. In the middle of the frame, you see a rod coming out, and it's all jerry-rigged, wire, and a spacer, and all kinds of crap. That pushes the pedal upward. Like whoever did this didn't understand that you needed to probably replace the master and or slave cylinder for this clutch. It's a 2.5 liter AMC 4-cylinder. Anyway, so I found that and said, oh, well, no wonder the stupid pedal's way high. So that needs to get fixed. Probably, I think there's probably a bushing missing off of the pedal linkage there, but the it's probably going to need a master and or a slave, or you just do both. This one doesn't have the, I don't think it has the plastic line between the master and slave. I'm not sure. It's metal underneath the vehicle. So anyway, that's kind of a big deal. The clutch shakes real bad, and you know, this is just some more jerry-rig stuff. Now, something underneath I'm going to show you. I'm not going to shut the camera off. Okay, so where is it? Right there. Look at that big freaking damn hole. Look at that. If you look closely at it, it's rounded edges all over the place. It looks like somebody took a drill bit and drilled a bunch of holes in there and then hogged out that stupid hole for some reason. I'm going to see if I have a borescope. I may have borrowed one a while back from a friend of mine. Anyway, that's not good news. I may have to hog it out, make it round or square or something, and put a body plug or some kind of plug in that stupid thing to keep the dirt out. This thing's also missing the, let's see if I can show you. It's missing the inspection cover. You see that? There's no inspection cover. That's kind of a bummer. Lets a lot of crap in. So anyway, oh yeah, and here's one of the metal lines. See that union connector right there in the middle? That's all metal as far as I can see. So I don't think this is one of those old plastic ones, because this is an 86. I think in 87 they started the plastic. Anyway, that all needs to get done. I'll stick a borescope up there and see if I can see anything special. It has an external slave, and it's right over here. I don't even know if I can get it lit up from here. Yeah, here it is. Let's back down a little bit. There's the external slave. Thank God it's external, but it isn't really going to matter because this whole tranny and transfer case have to come out to inspect what's wrong in this hole here. This is like stupid, man. I don't think that's factory. I don't think there was any kind of a hole in there at all. So anyway, that's it for now. Let's see, what else was under here that was so wonderful? Yeah, that's it for now. Oh yeah, here's that linkage I talked to everybody about. It was disconnected, and it was half of it was disconnected, and it was 180 degrees installed incorrectly. So I fixed all that. It works. Just yesterday I noticed, can you see that? There's a busted off hose. It's a yellow one. So I forget, yellow means engage or disengage. I don't remember. It's just not in my brain right now, but that needs to get fixed. So one of these days we will fix that. This tubing gets old and breaks and stuff, so who knows how that happened. Anyway, that's it for underneath right here. See you, bye.